All right, everybody, get ready because this one is a doozy. We are going deep on the origins of the universe.
Oh, yeah.
You guys sent in this article. Uh, what exactly created the universe? New theory of time.
Uh,
It's about some pretty crazy ideas about time
Time. Yeah, it's a big one.
from physicist Avshalom Elitzur. New theory of time, I'll be honest. I was like, come on.
Right.
But this article is making me think.
Yeah. Well, it should. The article starts by talking about the problems with the Big Bang Theory,
The Big Bang Theory.
which is, of course, like the main theory about how the universe began. The Big Bang explains how the universe expanded from this super dense and hot state,
Yeah.
but it doesn't really say what was there before that.
Before the singularity.
Yeah,
or-
what was there before the singularity or what
Yeah.
even caused it?
It's like, where did that singularity come from?
Right.
What made it happen?
Right.
Before the Big Bang has always been a big mystery to me.
Totally. And that's where this guy Elitzur comes in.
Okay.
He says maybe we don't understand time correctly at all. Instead of it being a straight line from past to future, Elitzur says time could be non-linear,
Oh, linear.
meaning it could have dimensions and stuff that we just can't see.
Okay. Non-linear time. I'm having trouble picturing that.
Sure.
How does Elitzur even see that?
Think of it like this. Imagine time is not a line, but a sphere.
A sphere.
Every point on that sphere is a moment in time, and they all exist at the same time.
At the same time. Whoa.
But we can only experience those moments one after another because that's how we perceive things. It's like watching a movie.
Okay. A movie.
We see the frames one at a time,
Yeah.
but the whole movie exists all at once.
Right. So it's not that time is actually bending and looping around.
Yeah.
It's just that how we see time is limited.
Yeah.
This whole big multi-dimensional thing.
Yeah,
That we call time.
exactly. And this is where it gets really wild.
Okay.
Elitzur thinks this nonlinear time isn't just some idea.
Yeah.
He thinks it's the thing that made the universe exist.
Hold on. Wait. Are you saying time itself created the universe? How can something like time have that kind of power?
It's not like time is a person or a force, like the forces we talk about in physics. What Elitzur is saying is that certain properties of nonlinear time,
Properties.
particularly its energy, could have gotten to a certain point.
Like a tipping point?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
a tipping point. And all that time energy just exploded
Good breakdown.
and created matter, energy, and even space itself,
Wow.
like a cosmic domino effect,
Yeah.
started by the nature of time itself.
Okay. So we're saying time is the most fundamental force, even more than the forces in physics.
That's the idea. And
Yeah.
that changes everything.
It does.
If Elitzur is right, then if we can understand time,
Yeah.
we can understand the universe.
This is blowing my mind. I thought I knew about reality,
Mm.
but this is getting really philosophical.
Yeah, absolutely. The article says that Elitzur's theory needs a bunch of different fields to work together.
What?
Physics,
Obviously.
cosmology,
Okay.
and philosophy.
Philosophy, wow. To really get time, we have to combine all this stuff.
Yeah. We need to stop thinking about them as separate things.
You're saying that if we understand time, we might understand all the biggest mysteries.
It could be.
This is a lot to think about.
It is.
I started this deep dive pretty skeptical.
I hear you.
But Elitzur's ideas they're pretty amazing. If time isn't this straight line, like we always thought it was,
Right.
it makes you wonder, what else is possible? Could we ever travel to before the Big Bang?
Before the Big Bang.
If the Big Bang wasn't really the beginning,
That's the big question, isn't it?
it is.
Elitzur's theory opens up so many possibilities. It makes us rethink everything about the universe
Yeah.
and where we fit in.
Well, I think that's enough mind-blowing stuff for today.
Yeah,
We'll have to explore before the Big Bang some other time.
definitely.
But this deep dive has got me thinking about time in a whole new way.
That's what we're here for.